RFID based milk vending machine. This is main board, 2 MCUs, STM32, ESP32. This is RC522 MyFair card, reader writer module, RFID card, MyFair Classic 1K. There are onboard 2 relays, one is for driving pump, one relay, and other second relay is for if we want connected some refrigerator system, and for that we have sense temperature by this waterproof temperature sensor. At this time I have set 34 degrees Celsius, so it will turn off because water temperature is below 34. Keypad, 16:2 LCD display, one IR sensor for detecting vessel, power required is 12 volt, so I am 12 volt DC, so I have used transformer 12012 3 ampere and one rectifier for that purpose. Water flow sensor, and pump. Machine is started. Press temperature sensor in cold water. Yes, that temperature is 29.94. So this refrigerator level is not turning on, means turn off. I will now take this temperature sensor and place it in hot water. Now we check. Temperature is 53-59 and relay is turned on. And again take it in cold water. Wait for some minute. 39, 37, decreasing temperature, 36, set temperature is 34, 35, 34 and 33. Relay is turned off. How to issue PIN or issue card to the customer? Now firstly we have to write PIN, mail address and customer name in this manner on the sheet number 2. After that, on a hardware part, take a fresh card. This is a fresh card. I am placed, so no need to scan. Now for issuing card we have to go to the menu, so I am pressing S. Now for generating PIN, press S, so I am again pressing S. Enter password. For this type of process, password is 1 to 8. 1. Enter new PIN. We have chosen 4157 PIN. Wait, card selected, PIN generated successfully. Done.
After issue card, what if I am purchasing with a balance ₹0? So here we are pressing any other key, like we have pressed here 5 for our normal understanding, hash for menu. So we are in, our Wi-Fi is connected, and we are going into our PIN, like for this card our PIN is 40. Like that, here we are entering our PIN, like enter 40. So here we are entering any number of like 1 liter because our main balance is 0, so it shows low balance. So low balance to recharge, so our order is not confirmed. When we have scanned a fresh card, it shows a low balance. So this problem solving by adding a balance into this card. So this process, first of all, we have scanned RFID card into the RFID reader, press hash for menu, and then we have pressed start for a balance. So our card is selected and our balance is 000. So our pin. So first of all, here we have add balance, like we have add 2000 rupees. So our main balance is 2000. Our enter part, this password is only for a salesman, not for customer, because of safety purpose, like for adding new card or adding new rupees. For this password is required. Without this password, this is all process is not at all.
Testing. Start machine. Turning on a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected machine. Start now. Place a card. Please enter pin. I am entering 750 ml. Payment is 37. Now IR sensor is on because it detect the bottle. So I am placing now. Detecting vessel detected and machine start. Nearest 750 ml. Thank you. Have a good day. And entry done. And place 4157 pin as a name. Is name. And last balance is 1430. Second order. Enter pin 47. Enter me before that. Last balance is 1430. I am ordering half liter 500 ml, 25 rupees, and after cut 1405 balance. I have placed the bottle. IR sensor detected the bottle. So I am pressing hashtag and order start. This relay is for pump. Near half liter. Yes, thank you. Have a good day. 1405 is last balance. 4157 pin number. Thank you.